Friends, have you ever thought that most of us know about discipline, as well as an army and military soldier, but still we are not able to remain disciplined consistently? On the other hand, all the soldiers of the army and military are consistent. We are able to remain disciplined. What is the secret of remaining disciplined, which is known to the military people, but not known to the normal people like us? Jocko Willing is a person who lives in freedom. He is a very disciplined person. He is a living example of how discipline is maintained. He has been in the Navy SEALs for 20 years, where his rank was lieutenant commander. He has done multiple operations in many countries. Due to his extreme self-discipline, he has been involved in battles like Battle of Romani, have served in many verses as well. And Jocko says that discipline is a weapon with which you learn from all the distractions, procrastination, and Laziness. After all, what is discipline actually? Jocko Willing says before living a disciplined life, it is very important for you to be clear that in the real sense, Muller. What is discipline in the end? And Jocko says, I can say with certainty that most of you will not know its real meaning. According to Jocko, there are 3 things due to which we take any action. The first is motivation, second is willpower, and third is discipline. Motivation is a feeling, a desire is a craving, a feeling where you want to do a work as per your own wish. When people say, no, I do not feel motivated, doing it means that they do not feel like doing that work. For example, you have seen the YouTube 2 version video, and the very next day you started working very hard to do all those things which you were postponing for the last few days. Willpower is used to resist something, i.e., to stop yourself from doing that work, which you feel like doing very much. For example, your weight is increasing, you are on diet, but today your favorite dish for dinner is made with extra butter oil, seeing which your mouth is watering. You eat it, you are motivated to eat it, you feel like eating it, but you control yourself, stop yourself and avoid eating it. All this is possible. Your will makes it possible. Discipline through power is a character trait. With this, you cannot feel. Rather, you go by your feelingless and take action. Do the work which you do not want to do, for which you are not motivated. You do not even have willpower, but still you can do it through discipline. You go to the gym motivated for 1 day, you go for 2 days, you go for 3 days, but on the 4th day, when pain starts in your muscles and body, you do not feel like going to the gym at all. All your motivation is gone. In fact, at this moment, nothing motivates you. You just feel that fatigue, that pain. You want to avoid all these feelingless things. When you don't think about anything, you just take action. You change your clothes, wear shoes, and go out of the house for the gym. This is called discipline. Doing that work when you don't feel like doing it. Next time you take any action, ask yourself this question. What you need to do this is motivation or willpower. And when you do not have both, then use discipline so that you can take this decision intentionally. I am doing this because I am a disciplined person. I'm doing this because I'm disciplined. Don't think too much and just go without your feeling and take action. We have talked about discipline mindset, but now it is the turn to follow those practical actions and things which will make you disciplined. How to really build self-discipline, which is called to build military-like self-discipline. You will have to follow some compulsory rules of military. That is, to become disciplined. You don't have to start by doing some very big 10 things. Rather, you just have to follow these common and basic but powerful rules. Every day is automatically productive and you become disciplined. It will keep happening. You just have to be disciplined for these 3 things. Rule number 1. Wake up early and win the day. Jocko says, there is no such person in the world. One who regrets by waking up early in the morning and waking up early in the morning at the same time every day is like a psychological victory for you. That is, as soon as you wake up early in the morning, you subconsciously already win in the beginning of the day, which strength. That then keeps you motivated to remain disciplined throughout the day. The first task of the day is not to be done. The one who demands discipline from us is to wake up early in the morning with consistent discipline every day, because this is the basis of our entire day. The first decision to be taken is that either we build our discipline or we spoil our entire day by sleeping a little longer. Whether you wake up early every morning at the same time or not, this shows that you are a disciplined person or not. Getting up early in the morning sets the tone for your entire day. Getting up early makes you feel like you are in control. You have the whole day to conquer. Getting up early in the morning, you do not start your day stressed, but with a positive energy, which motivates you to do other tasks with discipline. discipline. Rule number: to complete a dreaded task, whether it is your job, a side project, business, an assignment, cleaning the house, or calling someone, means anything in your day. There will definitely be such an activity or task which you will have to do, if not today or tomorrow, even if you don't want to. It is said that never put off such work for tomorrow. Do at least one such task every day which will cost you your life, which you absolutely don't even want to do it. It is very important for you to do the same work because there is no other easy way. There is no easy way. There is only hard work. Late nights, early mornings, practice, rehearsals, rapture, study, sweat, blood, toil, frustration, and discipline. Rule number 3: exercise. Jocko. He had learned a very valuable lesson in his early 20s. He believed that the earlier he woke up in the morning and worked out, the better his rest of the day would be. He believed that discipline builds discipline. Does exercise is an activity which our brain registers, and the best way to practice self-discipline is to make a habit of doing daily exercise. There will be many times when you will not feel like it at all. You will be mentally exhausted or physically very tired. Your body and your mind will refuse you. Brother, don't go to the gym or do exercise. But without thinking, you have to go to the gym and do exercise right now and prove to yourself that you are in control. Okay, you understand that. What kind of mindset should one have for discipline? And what actions should be taken? But ultimately, all this should be done consistently. Where will the discipline come from within us? Where does discipline come from? Joe Willing says that there is an external pressure on everyone in the military school, due to which he had no other option other than being disciplined. But the value of real discipline forced him to retire. After this, I understood that he had become comfortable in his life. There was no pressure on his head from any teacher or commander, but still, he felt like this every day. He lived as if he was still in the military. This was his self-discipline that was coming from within him as per the external pressure from you. He can get the work done as long as you are under his pressure. Once he is gone, after that, you will become dependent only on yourself. When you are in school, there is pressure from teachers. In college, there is pressure from professors, and there is pressure from the boss in the job. Keeps you disciplined in life, which is easy. Whereas, if someone wants to be successful in his own business, then he will need his internal self-discipline. And Jocko says that this self-discipline comes when you take this decision, when you decide that from now on, I will live a disciplined life. If you sleep after making a complete plan the night before, that from the next day, you will get your life on track. You will do all the things which are very important for you to do, but you are not able to do them. You get distracted, you procrastinate, and by the end of the night, you put yourself in guilt and regret. If this is happening to you, then it is not that you do not have the energy to work. Then Jocko says that it is so. This is because you have not yet made a strong decision that you will become a disciplined person. Discipline is freedom, not punishment. Discipline is freedom. Only discipline gives you freedom in life. The day you accept this, you will be free in reality. If you think that you are free now, then think once again and see how much freedom you have right now. Are you getting bored? Go out anywhere and feel hungry. Just order food, have any opinion on anything, share it on the internet. People are worried, even after having so much freedom. And if we are sad, then it means that there is something wrong somewhere, and that lies in our mentality. We consider living a disciplined life as a difficult task. Treat it like a punishment. It will take a lot of hard work. There will be pain. We don't feel like doing it. This is our problem. We think that discipline takes away our current freedom, whereas in reality, you are living a trapped life right now. You are in the trap of these big companies, of your possessions, of your mind. Yes, you are living a life where you feel that you can do whatever you want, but you are not able to do what you actually want. And it's only through discipline that you get real freedom. You get control in your life. You are mindful. It will happen, and you will become more and more free. If you found this video helpful, please like it and click the subscribe button to support the channel's growth. Also, turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos. If you want us to make videos on any other topics or problems, please let us know in the comments, and we will try to cover them.